Hi everyone! In today's video I'm doing something just a little bit different with my design. I'm actually painting on a, I have a baking sheet right here so that I can lift it up and move it around. I'm going to tape my papers down just so that they don't move too much and so that my little balls that I'm using don't get stuck. But I've seen some people take like marbles and dip them in ink and then roll them around the just surface. So I wanted to try it out. I'm going to do a couple at a time. I think I'm going to try 3 just to see. They're bouncy balls. I couldn't find marbles at the dollar store, so I just grabbed what I could find. But I don't want my papers to move, and I also don't want the balls to get caught on the edges too much, so hopefully it'll be fairly smooth. But I'm just going to use some acrylic ink so that it's really nice and fluid, and then we're just going to test this out and see how it works. But I'm using the tray because I want to be able to kind of pick it up and move it around without like forcing the balls to go in any real direction. So I know I'm going to be picking them up. I'm just going to throw my glove on just in case this gets messy. But I'm going to just drop my ink in here and see. I'm actually just too little. Get them nice and covered. And then I'm just going to drop them right on here and start tilting this around and just see what it does. Ooh, already. Okay, so might have to pick them up and do some more ink, but already I'm getting super easy design there. So this one did really well, I think just because of how dark that undercoat is. But I'm going to do one more. I want to try and get more on my pink one, and if I need to do that one separately, I will. But we'll just get a little more ink. But this baking sheet, I actually bought this specifically for my artwork years ago, and I have a whole great big kitchen tray that holds all of them, and it's really convenient for letting paintings dry, letting coasters dry. So yeah. Okay, I might take these 2 off and do a little bit more on the pink. A nice little undercoat there. Okay, so those work out well. Yeah, I do want some more on that one, so I'm gonna set these aside while they dry. And then I might pick one more to do with this pink one. See, I have some fluid acrylic instead of my inks. I'm going to try a little bit of that and see if that's just going to be a little bit thicker and stick a little bit better. So I'll move this. Yeah, I think, let's see what we can do. That's a little better. So you may just want to play around with the different consistencies of paint, inks versus the fluid acrylics. That worked quite a bit better. And I'm not going to add any more. I do like, there we go. again, I'm just using white, but there are so many other colors that you could do on top. But I'm going to let these dry and I will get some pictures. But this, just really organic, kind of chaotic, but just a fun way. You could try it with marbles. You could try it with any round things that you have, and just see how it turns out. But that was fun. So thank you guys so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you tomorrow.